post full videos on your WhatsApp status without cutting them on any Android phone. I show you guys how to do it. Just close out of the WhatsApp and open the Play Store and search What's Saga Longer Story Status Saver. Select the app and select install option. Select open option after the installation done. Select the get started and select allow. Select OK. Select the video status option and select the video you want to upload. And as you can see, the video's length is 4.44 seconds. Click here fast. Set this to accurate and click on this 30 seconds and set this to 90 seconds and done. And select this share to WhatsApp option. And you just need to wait. Depends on the video size, it will take time. Now select an app to share. Select WhatsApp and select my status and select this right arrow option. And as you can see, videos sent to WhatsApp and everything has clipped to 90 seconds of video. 90 seconds, 90 seconds, 90 seconds. The long video has been clipped to 90 seconds. Select this send option. As you can see, my status has been uploaded and everything has been clipped to 90 seconds. That's how you can upload big videos in WhatsApp status. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.